Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to show you how to apply easy white henna design for your back hands. I'm using gems here. It's optional. Take your time and go slowly with the design. Follow step by step the pattern. Make easy henna design for beginners. So if you have any request, comment down below. To the all beautiful minds who likes art. I will be making a lot more videos, so please let me know what you would like to see from me in the comment below. I hope you guys will like this simple, easy white henna design pattern. So please share to your near friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Please give your feedback about this video. It gives me motivation. Thanks for watching.